Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today I am here to teach you subject science grade 3, and now today we revise the unit number 2 and unit number 3, the animal world and the plant world. Now start. Answer this question. What is a life cycle? In which question we discuss about life cycle. A life cycle is all the change that an animal goes through from birth to death. Life cycle is basically all the changing that occur when start from birth to death. जितने भी चेंजेस, जितने भी स्टेजेस आपकी बर्थ से आपकी डेथ तक आ रहे हैं, वो सारे क्या हैं? वो लाइफ साइकिल है. Now move to the next question, in which discuss in what different ways do animals change as they grow. When different ways, when we grow, we change in shape, change in size and change in color. In which question we discuss animals change as they grow, they change in shape, they change in size and they change in color. Now move to the next question, in which we discuss write down some of the ways you have changed since you are a baby. Then write down some of the change you expect to happen as you become an adult. When you become an adult, you can see some changes, just like we change in size, we grow long hairs, or hand and legs become big, we become tall. So these are the change when we become an adult. Now move to the next slide, in which we discuss fill in the blanks. A life cycle is all the dash that an animal goes through from birth to death. Life cycle is all the change that goes through from birth to death. Plants use dash for this from the soil to help them grow. Plants क्या यूज करता है सॉइल से ग्रो करने के लिए? Baby hippos are really small when they are born but change in as they grow. जो बेबी हिप्पोज होते हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा स्मॉल होते हैं जब वो पैदा होते हैं, और उन चेंज आते हैं, उनकी किस चीज़ में चेंज आता है? जब वो बेबी ग्रो हो जाता है. Everything has a life cycle, or in this world every and each thing has a life cycle. Dash look very different when they become frogs. Dash look very different. कौन सी ऐसी चीज़ है वो एकदम डिफरेंट दिखती है जब वो एक अडल्ट फ्रॉग बनता है? A butterfly change as dash as it grow into a hen. बटरफ्लाई ग्रो करके जब चेंज होती है तो क्या चेंजिंग उसमें आती है? नाउ मूव टू द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड, in which we discuss about the stages of the life cycle. Name the 4 stages in the life cycle of a bee. First egg, then larva, after that pupa, and now then adult. What are the 3 types of adult bees? Which one lay eggs? The 3 types of adult bees: queens, worker, drones. The queen lays the egg. Now move to the next slide, in which discuss the unit number 3, the plant world, and discuss question number 1. What do plants need to carry out photosynthesis? Water, carbon dioxide, sunlight and chlorophyll. Next, how does photosynthesis take place? Draw a diagram to explain your answer. Photosynthesis is a process that takes place. A plant collects water from the ground. प्लांट क्या करता है? वाटर को कलेक्ट करता है फ्रॉम द ग्राउंड. ठीक है. इट गेट्स सनलाइट फ्रॉम द सन एंड प्लांट गेट्स सनलाइट फ्रॉम द सन और सूरज से वो सनलाइट लेता है. इट ब्रीथ्स कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड फ्रॉम द एयर और ये कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड जो है फ्रॉम द एयर, वो प्लांट जो होता है कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एयर से लेता है. फोटोसिंथेसिस टेक प्लेस इन द लीव्स. Photosynthesis is a process and this process take place in a leaf. Leaf contain a substance that is called a chlorophyll and chlorophyll change the sunlight so it can be used by the plant. When the sunlight is mixed with carbon dioxide and water and carbon dioxide mixed and it make a type of sugar. It's called glucose and glucose is the food that help the plant to grow. Now move to the next question. Carbon dioxide gas is not so cool. Do you agree? Explain your answer. No, I don't think carbon dioxide is so cool because it is not healthy to breathe. It pollutes the air and heat up our planet. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड कूल नहीं है और ये हेल्दी भी नहीं है हमारे लिए क्योंकि हमारी फ़िज़ा को आलूदा करती है. आई होप सो आप लोगों को ये रिवीजन लेक्चर समझ आ गया होगा. टेक केयर.